I'm Antony BARASA, Principal, AIRADS, Eldoret Main Campus. As we prepare to start our Cat 1 exam tomorrow, I want to urge all the students to remain focused, disciplined, and committed on their studies. Take this assessment as a key tool in your academic journey. It is going to add up on your final result. Ensure you study hard, consult lecturer where necessary, and above all, attend all the exam and observe the integrity it deserves. To our new student who joined this January 2026 under the ongoing February intake, we want to really appreciate and thank you very much that indeed you made the right choice of joining AIRADS College, the best TVET college in Kenya. We welcome you to familiarize with the institution culture and the system, and above all, you will enjoy the stay here. Lastly, let's remember that success comes from discipline, hard work, consistency, and teamwork. So do what it deserves and give us the best. I wish you the very best in the Cat 1 exam.